Hi again, and welcome back to another episode of World War II Jeep and Rifle. I'm really excited to have you guys back today, especially my subscribers. Thank you for joining. This is a M1941 tent stove, and I'm gonna show you this thing in detail and walk you through the parts and the assembly. And I gotta say, I cannot wait to go camping in my army tent and in a cold winter day and use this thing for the first time. So let's get up close. This tent stove is in an wood or coal burning configuration. They also made conversion kits to make oil burning stoves for different setups. It comes in a modular design. It's got a bottom, and it's got a top, and in the middle is a grate. This is a grate used for the wood burning configuration. It's got a stove lid. You can see the grate down here. And then stovepipe sections that are also interesting. So these are 4-inch stovepipes. It's got a damper in the middle of the first stovepipe, so you can regulate the airflow and some temperature control. Next is a flame arrestor. This flame arrestor either goes after the first section of stovepipe or completely outside the tent, per the technical manual. Another section of stovepipe, a couple of elbows, and for the elbows in a tent configuration, you'll either go through the side wall of your tent using a tent shield like this to protect the canvas, or it will go straight through the roof of the tent, also through a tent shield. There's a section of pipe and a flue at the top, not a flue, a cover at the top, and the appropriate way to set this up would be to have guy wires supporting the top of your stovepipe. 3 guy wires. That way it doesn't blow over, because it's really just held in place by gravity, and if the wind were blowing, that stovepipe would rock over. So there is a complete World War II and used well into other theaters M1941 tent stove. Absolutely amazing. Cannot wait to set a fire inside that thing and get nice and toasty in my army tent. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.